Two ones, 11.
I got that one.
Oh, you got this. You got this.
Where's that little girl got that big old fluffy thing? I couldn't take that from that little girl. We want that. That's why I'm getting it. Peanut. Right. Oh, wow. Grandpa should do this. Well, you can't eat it, because I'll start like quitting, then they won't want it. You want to trade with Justin? Party. Planner.
You have to have it up on the table, too. Yeah, remember, that's right.
You won't take that.
Number 5. Who's got 5? Oh, I do.
Check the ball. Steal something. He said, steal this for me. I want something else. Somebody will steal this for me. Please. Don't get a little coffee in the mood. I wouldn't throw stuff down.
No, not over there. Don't get there.
Justin, you my dad.
All right, I want this.
Justin, that looks like
You're too nice.
on Cosby.
Like this. You know what that is?
Wow, look at that.
Oh, how cute. A pin. It's a dog and a cat.
Oh, boy, that's good.
How pretty. Yeah, how about that? When you didn't need it. Brian, regarding that.
Okay, there's a
Deal.
See what I got next.
Oh, how cute.
Must be a Bukin on cat.
2-0. Please.
You take mine. You take mine.
Where's the... What kind of peanuts are those?
Already missed.
What kind of peanuts?
3 different kinds.
Offensive player of the year, Steve Young. What else in there? 6 cups of coffee.
No, you got hot
I haven't gone yet anyway.
Looks like you don't want to take it from anywhere.
Please don't take my toy.
The bowl is in the peanut. I can use those. Only if I got to use them anyway, so I'll just wait. Bonnie's got a travel pack.
You want him rushing about. Here it is, 315 that has a foot tree
I'm
down.
the one who watched Rush Limbaugh.
I have Christmas.
I need that.
Hey, John, get Rush Limbaugh when you go. I'm not going to
Hey, I know what I want. Tess, I'm taking your dog.
Oh, no. You need to open another present. You can take something from somebody else, or you can take another present. You can open another present.
That's okay. Take it out.
I got another present. Come here, Tessa. Open this thing right here. Somebody else. Hey, I got it. What? What did he say?
It's a strategy thing. You want this, don't you?
Uh-huh.
Not that bad.
No. Oh, just give him a press.
Good, you got to do pressure. That's all right. Well, you can open 2 of them.
That was almost as big as you are.
Never had to do that. All she has to do is when it is somebody takes that from her, take it back.
Yeah.
You ever do that for one?
No, I'm fine.
Tessa, we're switching.
No, you don't have that on.
already.
Yeah. Now, ask John if he likes treasure. You ain't on to that, Tessa. That's pretty good. Okay, it's well, okay, you might get your check off, so I might try to rip it.
Magnetic chess game and
Wow.
Tessa's John took Tessa's dog. Then she got a box that had several things in it.
But she can't use.
Somebody gets your nuts.
I can't look over there at one.
Well, then pay attention to what they're opening. They're not opening over there. They're opening right here.
Shopping.
She's going for the dog. She's going for the dog.
You only need to get old, don't you? She's hoping you will.
Yeah, you're right.
That's another best.
Unless you want something else that's already out.
No, I think I'll open one. And that's a basket. I sure don't need it.
Rodney. Thank you.
This will best me too.
That's something John Weston would want.
Well, is this what you want to make?
Too bad.
We'll find out.
He figured he needed this.
Mug set too.
Oh, is that what's in there? Is that what it really is?
That's what it really is.
Oh,
that's a nice.
well, that, you have 4 and I have 6. I thought it better.
We got a tree for hers. What's the matter with you?
Where's the tree?
It's in there.
I don't see no tree.
Is it not in there?
Hardwood with
I tell you,
hardwood.
Rodney, what? Have you built something?
Well, maybe you have to put it together and just lay it in the bottom.
Well, that's
It's so a late tree.
It says with the tree on the bottom.
well, that's my fault.
That's all right, I have 6 cups and
Oh,
you
we
have
know where the
4. We
tree's
can
at.
have a party and with Army me hanging out right there. Yeah, that's not bad. Make sure you only got one. Bring me one back.
Right. They're supposed to have a hardwood tree.
With a hardwood mug.
22.
That's mine. I want your mugs, Dad.
I like you to be in anyway.
The box in the mug.
Who's 22?
Okay, you got it now. Well, Mom, you can do something else. No, I don't need any toys anymore. I'm full for that.
I was protecting her.
That was nice, Daddy.
Oh, no.
Rodney.
Rodney, you need to move.
Oh, I like racing.
Wow.
Whoever bought this, thank you. And I better hide it.
Don't show it off too much if you want. Bracelet.
It's a pretty.
Somebody said that Bonnie wants to see it.
Yeah, it's
It's plain something.
oh, okay. Got those little, okay.
I think we should know who bought this.
Oh, it is pretty. Nice.
No, don't. 9. Bill 9
Oh, wow.
work for reading this message.
Brandon, something about Brent, we don't know.
She's another president.
Those Indian monsters? I think everybody's picking on me.
Grandma just lost her baby.
Oh, no. Home chest or something? I don't know.
He figures Sarah will take those.
Jeanette got the bracelet. Oh, you know about this one.
Someone take it quick!
Are you the one who's
Nobody will take that from you, I'll bet. Nobody will take that from you.
I think that's a girl.
The girl.
No, that's our girl. They look like me. I think they're
I got 21.
There's your chance to get some cats to glow in the dark. Bonnie will be tickled to death. I wonder who bought that. Okay, Kelsey, go get yours. Go get yours. So he's got to pick another one, Mom.
I should take it from Grandma since it's me.
Yeah, you can have these.
But. I'm going to take this because I know what it is. High-tech car batteries. High-tech car batteries.
You only have to make it 5
Don't worry, I'll check.
Car vacuum.
I'm getting another number, take it to cover. Oh man, I forgot about that.
High-tech. High-tech.
Yeah, not just the car.
Okay. Okay. Oh, I mean 6. 6. That was close, huh?
She was gonna take me out and Bonnie.
She's gonna take one.
Yeah, I'll take Bonnie. Who's got those Norman Rockwell mugs? I want those.
Well, maybe you'll get another chance.
Oh dear, let's see. I think I'll open a present. Here, take it.
Thank you, Oscar.
We have a basket of goodies here. Basket of cookies. Goodies, no, but, no, that kind of goodies.
Well, we got it.
That's goodies. Ooh.
Those are pretty.
Can I have that dog? Can I have that dog?
Okay,
Wait a minute.
These are available.
finish reading the introduction. I'll give it to you in just a minute.
The book's mine.
The book's his. I'm reading the introduction.
I gotta pick something else.
That's right, because I got it from her.
So wait, he has to pick something else.
No, this is Nancy.
He's just reading it.
But Hans is gonna get it.
But it belongs to Hans.
Hey, Nancy. Never mind, you waited too late. You say, you got my present, I'll go get your book back.
Right, we're moving on, yeah.
He stole my dining set.
Wow, 23.
That's my dining room set. He got his lap.
23. 23.
Donna.
Donna, here comes Donna.
Take the mug.
Disguised liberal movements and how their agenda affects society. I believe that in order to combat the best way to do that is to read, listen to, or watch movies.
I gotta keep up with what's happening.
We're going into it, we can move after our meeting, I'll send it back.
How did you wind up? Somebody got your initials again? Who got your initials?
I'll tell you right now. I went to the big store and I looked at the thing 3 times and I said, I'm not paying for it. I can get that bit later.